Have you ever set off on a long road trip only to find that your snacks and drinks are hot and unappetizing? It's a common issue for travelers, and the right portable car fridge can be a game changer. In this video, we're diving into 5 of the best options available on Amazon, each selected for their unique features and value for money. Stick around to find out which model takes the top spot and why it might just be the perfect companion for your next adventure. Don't forget to subscribe, and remember, links in the description below for the latest prices. BougeRV 12-volt refrigerator, 12 volts car fridge, 30 quart. The BougeRV 12-volt refrigerator stands out for its impressive 30-quart capacity, making it ideal for families or groups who need to keep plenty of food and drinks cool during long road trips. This sturdy fridge features both cooling and freezing options, ranging from 0 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, which means you can preserve perishables like meat and dairy without worry. One of its standout features is its energy efficiency. It consumes less power than traditional car fridges, which is perfect for extended journeys. However, while it's great for larger groups, its size can be a bit bulky for smaller vehicles or for someone who travels solo. OLIXIS Portable Car Refrigerator. The OLIXIS Portable Car Refrigerator is an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts and weekend campers. With a sleek design and a generous capacity, it's perfect for keeping your food and drinks chilled without taking up too much space in your vehicle. This fridge boasts a fast cooling feature that can drop the temperature significantly in just a short time, ensuring your items are cool and refreshing when you need them. It's easy to transport thanks to its lightweight build and practical handles. However, one minor drawback is that its power consumption might be a concern if you're on a budget, as it can draw more electricity compared to some competitors. Feelfunn 12-volt refrigerator car fridge. The Feelfunn 12-volt refrigerator is crafted for those who seek versatility and reliability. It features a dual-zone design that allows you to refrigerate and freeze simultaneously, making it a fantastic option for campers who want to keep ice cream and drinks chilled at the same time. Its compact size makes it easy to fit in most car trunks, and it even has a user-friendly digital display for easy temperature adjustments. Best suited for short trips or daily use, it can be a bit challenging to keep cool in particularly hot climates, as it occasionally struggles to maintain lower temperatures under extreme conditions. However, for the average traveler, it's a great balance of performance and portability. Alpicool C9PT Mini Portable Freezer. The Alpicool C9PT Mini Portable Freezer is engineered for those who prioritize freezing capabilities while on the go. With a compact design, this 9-quart freezer can reach temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for storing frozen meals or ice cream during your travels. This product is especially appealing for road trippers who plan to camp or journey for several days. Its lightweight design and dual power options, AC and DC, add to its convenience. However, it's worth noting that its smaller capacity may not serve larger groups or families as effectively as some competitors. Still, for individuals or couples, this freezer can be an invaluable asset. VEVOR 12V Car Refrigerator 10QT. Taking the top spot is the VEVOR 12V Car Refrigerator, a compact yet powerful option that excels in portability and performance. It features a 10-quart capacity, making it the perfect size for personal use or for keeping essentials close during a day out. One of its standout strengths is its rapid cooling technology, which can quickly chill items, ensuring you always have cold beverages and fresh snacks on hand. The design is both user-friendly and efficient, with a low power draw that ensures it won't drain your car battery during use. However, it may not provide enough space for larger gatherings or extensive road trips. Still, for its price and features, it's hard to beat this little powerhouse. Thanks for joining us to uncover the best portable car fridges on the market in 2026. Each of these fridges has its unique benefits, tailored to different needs and preferences. Whether you're planning a long road trip or just looking to keep your essentials cool during a day out, there's a model here for you. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices, and make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more great product reviews.